at GitHub, we're working on a project that we call Project Padawan, which is basically bringing this kind of like agent experience to github.com, where you can work with an agent, not watching it all the time in your IDE, but give Copilot a job and come back in 10 or 15 minutes or whatever it might be for a review. So maybe that's like running in the background while you're doing your other work. Maybe you're like parallelizing multiple tasks at the same time. Really, the world is your oyster. So let me just show you a bit of how that works. So
Please do.
this is a repo that I have. It's just it's a copy of the GitHub CLI, actually. You might well be familiar with the GitHub CLI, but as the name suggests, it's a CLI for interacting with GitHub. I've taken a copy of it and just like pushed it into my own repo. And I've created a bunch of issues in here. So for example, I had this issue, which is like an enhancement for the GitHub CLI to improve the functionality. And the GitHub CLI is pretty popular and gets a lot of issues and doesn't have that many people working on it. So there's always this massive backlog and, lots of things to pick between. So I kind of think, what if Copilot could pick up more of the work and let us get more done and, make this CLI much better, faster. So I have this issue here, and normally what I would do is like assign it to one of my colleagues to work on. But with Project Padawan, I can actually assign this issue to Copilot to work on. So I just open up the assignees menu and pick Copilot. Now, once I do that, Copilot's going to like pick up this issue and start working on it in the background. So I got this little cute eyes emoji here, so I can see that Copilot started. Then if I refresh my page, then I can actually see that Copilot has created a pull request and it's gonna start working on this in here. And rather than this being like attached to my machine and my IDE, this can all like run in the cloud, actually in GitHub Actions, and that's where the agent's going to do its work. It can run tests, it can run linters, all that kind of stuff. So the dream is that, this runs, and at the end you get a PR that's green, all the tests pass, you review it, and you can merge, which is pretty cool. So we've got this PR here, and Copilot's going to kind of progressively update this PR, like give me a plan in here, those kind of things, so I can see what's going on. This takes a little while because, like in agent mode in VS Code, it has to do the work. So I prepared one from a bit earlier on, which is like just an example that we can look at. So Copilot's like pushed a bunch of commits into this PR, and then it's requested a review from me. And of course, I can, like in VS Code, I can kind of see what the agent did under the hood. So I can go into the GitHub Actions logs here, and I can see the agent kind of talking to itself. So here it's like, I'll help implement the changes. It runs ls to like figure out what's in the repo. It looks at some files. It like searches and figures out where it needs to change. But then ultimately it like pushes up those commits, and I get back a PR that I can review. And then like, just like I would with another developer on my team, the way that I can kind of get Copilot to iterate on that is just like leave a comment on the PR. So for example, like here, it's smart enough to like update the tests and update the help text in the CLI. And I can say like, let's make this a bit clearer. Let's add that the default number is 30 to the help text. Then I go ahead and leave my code review just like I would with another colleague on my team. And then just like Copilot picked up the issue that I created originally, Copilot can also pick up those reviews. So I can kind of iterate this way. And this could be happening in the background while I'm doing other work. Maybe I even go and have lunch or like grab a coffee or something and let Copilot do work in the background so that I can kind of pick it up when I'm ready. And obviously, like I can choose to iterate with Copilot on this, or if I want to, I can just like check out the branch really easily and work on it myself, whether that's like writing my own code or working with agent mode in VS Code. That's kind of the like basic flow of how this works, but I want to share a couple of little things before I finish. First one is like MCP support. I haven't shown that here, but that's something that we have here as well that we've already been talking about in VS Code. So you can like connect this agent to all of your other tools so it can have more context and that kind of stuff. And then we've got a bunch of stuff to help you to kind of customize Copilot much like you can in VS Code. So you might be familiar with the Copilot instructions file in VS Code, which is pretty cool for chat and agent mode. That works with Project Padawan as well. So you can like direct the agent, kind of teach it how to run tests or teach it how your project works and all those kind of things. And that way you can get even better results. So this is not shipping yet. It's something that we're testing internally at GitHub and using quite a lot, but looking forward to getting it in front of lots of developers in the next couple of months.